Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to take two pictures on BeReal application. So first of all, of course, you'd like to go and download BeReal application if you don't have it on your phone. Of course, you can do that through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Of course, then you would like to go and sign in to create your account. Of course, if you already have an account, just ignore all of that, log in into your account, and let's just get straight to it. So, you should go and launch BeReal application, of course, to follow this tutorial steps. Of course, after creating your BeReal account, they'll ask you actually to post like your first post. It's kind of necessarily. So, as we said in this video, I'm gonna show you how to take two pictures. So to take two front pictures maybe on BeReal, first click on the camera flip icon. So let me just click first. So as you can see here, that's actually the main screen after opening the BeReal application. But I would like actually to click at my icon at the top right corner, and as you can see here, I'll be able maybe to edit here my profile and etc. Of course, if I click on the three dots, I'll find here the other settings. Of course, would not like to do that. You can of course add a caption to your actual post as well. So that's basically kind of the BeReal application. So if you go here to discovery as well, you'll find like people posting their posts, and that is kind of the idea of the BeReal application. So of course, as you can see, I cannot actually show you exactly how to take two pictures because I already take the picture of the day, and I have just one per account that you can delete a photo. You have just once, of course, a day, and you can actually post once a day as well. So let me just tell you the steps vocabulary like this. So to take two front pictures on BeReal, first here on the main screen, you would like to click on the camera flip icon. You'll find it right there at the bottom or at the middle there. So your selfie or front camera pic will be taken first. Then immediately after clicking the shutter button, turn your phone around with the back camera facing you. Pause and hold the device still for like 3 seconds, and kind of it will be it. You will actually take two pictures. Of course, that's how you take two front pictures, and if you want to take just two normal pictures, just let the phone as it is and take your two pictures carefully. Of course, you cannot change it. You can just delete it, and it could be once a day. So if you actually post a lot, like you post every day, and you want to delete them all, you cannot. You can just delete once per day. So that will be actually for the video. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.